Watch out for this guy, this young man in Nigerian music industry, especially in the southeast, in Igbo. When it comes to high life music, this guy will go too far. This guy will go too far. The way I see him. If you never follow this guy, follow him. I'm going to tag him on this video. Check the way I tag him on this video and follow him. And the best you can do is to support him. A very young guy in his early 20s, doing wonders already in high life music industry. Let me tell you, for those who understand music, someone like me who was a drummer before when we were young, high life music is the most difficult aspect of music anybody can venture into. And if this young guy at this young age can be handling high life music like this, near perfection or even perfect, very perfect. Some people at some quarters are already seeing the guy to even be better than his father, Chijioke Mbanefo. It means that if this guy can be given a little push by all of us who are lovers of high life music, those of us who love the likes of Osadebe, Oliver Biko, Apama, Boys, and so on, the Warrior, the Oriental Brothers, this guy can be given some little push for me. He will go too far. And the legacies of those our forefathers, those OGs or legend, high life music, will be replaced. And Igbo culture and tradition, that aspect of Igbo culture and tradition of high life, will remain. I'm one of those people who cannot do with high life music. I don't think any day passes me by without listening to high life music. As somebody who loves Igbo culture and tradition, which is not religion, it has nothing to do with religion. I saw in one comment section, in one high life post about this guy sometime ago, where one guy was talking about the guy should rebrand his high life music not to look like all those outdated or Oliver the Coke or something, but to rebrand it. Hey, and I questioned in that comment section. I argued in that comment section that high life is original. It's about Igbo culture and tradition that can never be outdated. It may not be okay for the Gen Z, especially these ones who are ordinarily, my mama say or my papa say are Igbo, where they born outside Igbo land. We all now understand the originality of Igbo culture and tradition. So when it comes to area of music, Igbo traditional music like high life, Igbo tradition on area of high life that promotes it can never be outdated. Osadebe remains original. Anywhere, anytime you hear Osadebe sound, Oliver the Coco, it can never be outdated. So that kind of talk or comment can only come from all these our acclaimed, civilized Gen Z who don't understand anything and messing up the public or the society. So those who understand the real thing or real image of Igbo culture, especially on the area of high life music, know that this guy is on a good footing and needs support. The best you can do for him is anytime you see his post, support him by sharing, follow his page. Like I'm talking now, I'm discussing his matter now. Share this video, go viral. Call him for occasions. Chat him up, DM him. He can do a lot for you with high life music to promote what you are doing or even promote your name. This is what we want. This is the kind of guy that we want in our society. Unlike our Gen Z youth, who the only thing they do on social media with their time is begging, depending on their uncles and so complaining, grumbling here and there. No help. If this guy could be the son of Chijioke Mbanefo, who is already made, yet he could not depend on his father. He decided to follow his own path to maintain his father's legacy and fly his flag. I'm talking about this. This guy is a graduate. Most of you do not know. He's a music graduate, not just a graduate, but music. He studied music. I mean, he wanted to maintain that adage that said that the father, produces a child and pray that the child be bigger than him or better than him. This is a typical example. If you don't know about this guy, you have not heard about him before. Chukwu Ebuka Mbanefo or Chukwu Ebuka Chijioke Mbanefo. This is the guy that Chijioke, one of his early musics, Chijioke Mbanefo, one of his early high life musics. This is the guy he used to mention when he was still a baby, a toddler. He's grown now. When he's early 20s, still very young. He's a graduate of music from Unizik. He's doing wonders now. Very soon, his new album will be dropping. And you will see wonders in the music, in the tracks. It's going to be releasing. So support him. Every Igbo man or anybody from anywhere who is a lover of high life music, support him. His name is Ebuka Mbanefo, a very good friend. Do so, and God bless you.